Today I'm going to be reviewing Flora-Pectin's oral paste for dogs and cats. It helps relieve diarrhea, upset stomach. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I'm going to put up a picture of my dogs eating this because I wanted to see if they even like the taste. They don't have diarrhea now, but I've gotten stuff like this from the vets before when they had diarrhea. This is it. It's just a little tube here. When you're using it, you'll just twist this up to the one serving, push it down, and then you continue from there. I just lock it in place like that. Real easy to use. Does really well on Amazon last month, November 2025. This sold over 1,000 plus. This also gets 4.4 stars with 547 ratings. Make sure you're looking for coupons and stuff like that. It's good to have stuff like this around the house. It's going to work to help them feel better. If they do have diarrhea, upset stomach, maybe you're going to be traveling or changing their food. This is the type of thing you can take to help that transition. It will help firm their stool, removes bacterial toxins, and eases intestinal discomfort. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.